Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to find your Trust Wallet address. If you want to send or receive a cryptocurrency, then you'll need to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your Trust Wallet application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into it, and from the main home page of Trust Wallet, for example, if you want to find your Bitcoin wallet address, simply tap on the Bitcoin button and tap on Receive on the next page. You'll be able to see that your Bitcoin wallet address has been displayed on the screen along with the QR code. Simply tap on the Copy button to copy your address, and that way you'll be able to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.